This is an example of a 1410 wireless gateway mounted in an enclosure. Key points to ensure the proper operation of this wireless system are: the antenna is mounted to the correct height above the structure according to its gain and clear of all obstructions. The coax connections have been hand tightened and then tightened 1/8 turn more. The coax is supported. There are no tight bends in the coax. Any excess coax is loosely coiled. The lightning arrestor is grounded to a safety ground. The gateway is grounded to an instrument ground. And finally, all coax connections are sealed. Here is a list of other wireless how-to videos available on YouTube. Use the URL below to view the complete Educational Services course offering.